Unity
Exactly.
requires a shared identity. And marriage is a powerful, as you were just talking about, it's a powerful example to show unity through our shared identity in Christ together as one. And put simply, our unity as a married couple is an expression of God's unity to the whole world. And your unity in marriage says to everyone watching, which is your children, if you have any children,
That's right.
your
children.
grandchildren, if you have any,
Yep.
neighbors, co-workers, and others, that there's a God like this that's unified and loving, right? So how I treat my spouse, how you treat your spouse, it really matters. So to not strive for unity is like being in a boat with your spouse. And this was an example that was used too. It's like being in a boat with your spouse and saying, your side of the boat has a hole in it. That's going to affect both of us. And we are one and we are
So good.
unified. And we need to really go after unity. It's worth it.